Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Carol, and today I'm going to be showing you how to validate and confirm a planned job order on the Infraspeak mobile app. So if you log into your app and you head on over to the calendar tab, you will see that you have the planned, active, and completed tabs. I'm going to ask you to head on over to the completed tab, and you can now select the job order that you want to validate and confirm. So I'm going to select the first one that says London HVAC. And now to validate this planned job order, what are we going to do? We can go through and have a look at the observations. So see if there was any additional observations added. We can go and have a look in the documents and photos to see if there was any attached documents or photos into this planned job order. And we can go to the show summary where we can have a quick summary and find out all of the details on this planned job. Then once you've had a look through all of those and you're ready to sign and confirm your report, you can head on over to the Sign Report tab. And here you can, where it says Signed By, you can touch to add a name. So I'm going to say that that's Paul. And then once you've done typing, just click on Done. And then here in this blank screen, you can collect the digital signature from the required person. And once that's done, all you have to do is click on the arrow, and that will get automatically linked onto your report and to your job order. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.